hey, let me show you all the best features that we can actually find on the Nothing Phone 2a. So first of all, let me show you the very cool features that we can actually find in the settings, and it will be definitely the game mode. So when you go to the system settings, we can actually find the game mode, and when we open it, we've got information that it is turned on as default. So each time you are opening any game, the game mode will be turned on and improve the gameplay on your phone. But also we can turn on this function to mistouch prevention. So you know, when you play games on the phone, probably you accidentally turn off your game or close the game by swiping when you try to reach some HUD in the game. So it's useful to turn it on when you play games. The next option that actually appears right here is definitely the multiple users. So if you want to share your phone with someone else, you can actually create this second account on this phone, or we can also enable the guest mode, and it will be like you have the two phones. So by tapping on the user switcher, you will actually close all of your gallery, your history, like it will be like completely new phone. And after this, you can just go back to your own profile. So that's very cool and useful feature if you are sharing your phone with someone else. Next option will be visible. Let me just scroll. It's in the experimental features, and here we can actually find a couple of the options. So the first one, we can actually make the Glyph interface to integrate with the third-party apps. So for example, you can also cover your Uber delivery and just see the delivery time right here on the glyphs. Also, you can enhance the touch response for the gaming. It's also connecting with the game mode, so that's very useful for the gamers. We can also enable the support for the AirPods, so we can show icon and the battery info in our settings. And if you have a Tesla car, you can actually connect this smartphone with your Tesla. Next, we are going into the where it was located. Yeah, there it is, the security and the privacy. And what I really like about this phone, that we can find the quick working the fingerprint sensor that is built into the display, and also the good working the face unlocking. There we go. So there's like two useful features. Next, when you go from this one, we can also find a lot of useful options when we go into the customization. And what is my favorite feature, that we can actually add some widgets into the lock screen. So take a look now. I just link some widgets from this one, and I can simply turn on the torch quickly. There we go. Scan the QR codes. And also I've got the compass. So if you want to quickly get access to some features, you can actually get it straight on your lock screen, and you can add 3 widgets, and also you can add 2 shortcuts. So you can quickly open, for example, the video mode. Okay, it's not working for some reason. Let's try it. Maybe let's open the camera. Okay, that's actually super weird. So they're probably going to fix this, but previously it was working for me. So I'm not okay now. Right, right now it is working. So we have to just click and hold this one. It just a little bit changed, because previously I was like tapping and it was working, but never mind. Next, let's go for the other options that we can find for sure in the settings. So from this, it was actually in the display, where we can actually turn on the HDR support. So it's actually supporting the HDR content to get, you know, the better view on our screen when we are watching something. And probably one of the best features, that's definitely the Glyph interface, where we can enable a lot of features. For sure, we can get the calls information, the messages, the notifications. Also, we can turn on the Glyph timer. You can just turn it on for like, I don't know, 1 minute. And after this, you will get this information right here for remaining time. We can also simply turn on the music visualization. As you can see, now when I turn it on, I can play some music on my phone. I'm gonna turn on the volume. There we go. So yeah, I like it when you are listening to the music and you like stuff like this. You will be definitely satisfied. And also we can create our own ringtones. And by going here, we can pick some sound packs. And you can create your own sound. And I'm gonna show you mine. So I just create the one that I really likes. It's this one. No, sorry, that wasn't actually this one. This one. No, it wasn't this one. Sorry, there was this one. Yeah. So this is the ringtone that I create, and honestly, for me, this is the best ringtone that I'm using on the smartphone. So what else? What else we can find? I guess it will be all from the smartphone. Or no, maybe I can also show you that we can actually open apps in the pop-up view. That's like really useful. When you click right here, select the pop-up view. There we go. We can actually make these applications bigger, and we can actually work right now in this pop-up view. But additionally, we can also open other apps. So we can actually use the free apps at the same time by going into the split screen mode and connecting it with the with this pop-up view. So yeah, that's all. That's for me the best features that you can find on the smartphone. Also, there's like a couple of the options in the camera, but I've got the separate video when I'm showing you actually the camera tricks. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.